Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And we made it. Definitely excited for this one. Amazon Prime time. Got another unboxing to do today. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. And they're going to ship this out to you in no time. So definitely excited to see what's inside this box. Don't mind the smoke. There we go. Nothing's on fire. Everything is good. Here we go. Let's see what this could be tonight. Sorry for the late video. Just had a lot of things to do today. Oh boy. I see something. Put you guys down for a sec. There we go. Rock and roll. It is time for some goodies we got here today. Alrighty. We have here, oh yeah, bada boom, Slimfast chocolate kind formula. There we go. And then we also have the strawberries and cream, 3 boxes and 1. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh wow, it's like these. Hold on. Open it up a little bit better for you guys. Alright, here we go. Nice and easy. We got the strawberry flavor. Boom. And it's time to lose some pounds. Got a few good stuff right here. Hopefully this will help. So we got here, bada boom. We got strawberry shake, strawberries and cream, and chocolate. So we got a 3-pack. And like I said, I'll leave the links down below for these guys. And you guys could take a look, see what other goodies they have over at Slimfast. So here we go. 4-hour hunger control. Oh. Meal. I think they're all meals. Meal. Yes, sir. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And see you guys back tomorrow. We got a big mail day tomorrow, so might want to check on that, see what goodies are coming in. Till then, be safe and see ya.